Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Matt back, and I thought I'd get on here and show you a little bit about my installation that I'm going to be doing. It's nothing crazy, all it is just a couple LED lights that I've already put in, but I'll show you how to do it. And it's for my interior, and it is for my map lights. Here are my map lights right up here for my 2014 Honda Civic Si. I probably won't do this dome light, we'll see. It's all the way back here. It's kind of weird compared to my old Honda Civic LX that I had, because it was like right in this area, not way back there. But it's size 194, and it's pretty easy. It's gonna be pretty short. Everybody probably has done this before, but this is one of the first things that I've ever gotten for my Civic. So as you can see, it turned on. All you got to do is just go in this little area right here, pop it out, boom. As you can see, same thing on this side. Go into this little area and just pop it out like that, and then you'll be good. And then as you can see, there's a bulb. If you put it in the wrong way, right now it's in the right way, but if you put this bulb right here, so 194 as I said, LED, if you put it in the wrong way, it won't turn on. I believe it's called polarity or something like that, but it won't turn on. So don't think that your bulb is dead or anything. Just turn the bulb around and then it'll turn on. And let's see, as you can see, little indentation right here on the left hand side, your left map light. All you have to do is put this little indentation on the left hand side and then put it in like that, and just push up and it'll click in and you can turn it on and off. Same on this side, it's no different. Yep, it's no different. It's pretty cool, pretty easy, simple, nothing to it. You know, I'm gonna start making more videos. I know I've been slacking. Not many people watch my videos anyway because I haven't been uploading, but that's understandable. You know, I've gotten this car and I've been wanting to do a couple little things to it and then eventually save it for my project car, but we'll see. But one thing I will tell you on my future video, a lot of people have probably done it too, but I've been having problems on my battery because it's old, and I haven't been able to scrounge up the money to get the battery, because, you know, depending on where you go, it can be upwards of $200. Yeah, you can get one from Walmart, but I heard the Walmart batteries suck. So I don't know, we'll see what we'll do. But I know I can't just keep jumping my battery. That's gonna that's not gonna be good. But first time I had to jump my battery was a couple months ago, and I had to pay 50 bucks. So this little Schumacher, you don't even have to get it. You can get a different brand. I mean, I don't even know much about some of these things. I just know this is Schumacher. Charge your phone, charge anything. It charges with a little micro USB. So Android people, you can charge it with your Android thing, but also it comes with the charger. And then all you have to do is just hook this up. See, these are your little jumper cables. Hook this little back piece up to here, and you're done. And then go over there, you know, hook it up to your battery, and then that's what you got to do. But I'll show you that more in depth later on. But I just thought I'd get on here and throw this little quick video together so you guys can see, you know, how to install an LED map light. Eventually I do want to get LED full around the car. You know, I do have these they're not blinking brake lights, because there is a brand called blinking brake lights out there, and they're on IG, I think, blinking brake lights, and then they have a website. But there's a brand that does that, but I found these at Walmart. I'll have to show you another day because I don't actually have them on me, and they're for your brakes. And I'm gonna install those, show you how to install those too. And then whenever I actually get up money, I'm gonna show you how to install, you know, all the front end, you know, lights and whatnot. So it's not bad, and really, to be honest, I like this SI. I mean, I'll show you what I like. I'm probably make a little video like most people have, you know, about, you know, their likes and dislikes on their car, but we'll see. I don't know just yet. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. And if you guys can just like my video, even dislike it, just let me know what you guys want. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and then certain installs. I mean, even just a regular vlog. I can even show you what I do at work. That's up to you. But mostly I just want to keep this car channel. I have another channel that I can start up, and but we'll see. But yeah, that's all I have for you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.